there's a lot of opportunity to learn how to become a teacher. So in residency, you become fairly confident and competent in managing common obstetric complications and emergencies, but there's not quite as much time focused on how to teach other learners how to do that. And so this is a really nice opportunity to get hands-on experience supervising and teaching those things that you became adept at as a chief resident. If ultimately your goal is to be in an academic setting or in a setting where you have residents and other learners around who would benefit from that sort of skill. So that to me, I think is really helpful. And then, when I think about my career 5-10 years down the line, ultimately I'd like to be in an academic institution. And I think of myself wanting to do some sort of leadership, whether that's as a residency program director or hospital administration. And doing a fellowship, especially this one here at University of Michigan, you get some experience in what it's like to be not only a team member on labor and delivery, but in one of those leadership roles, because you have the opportunity to sit in on QI committees and kind of see what that constant evaluation of labor and delivery is like. And you participate in huddles 4 times a day on both days and nights with the entire labor and delivery team. And you become sort of a consultant for the midwife service, the family medicine service, and some of the nurses with regard to Category 2 tracings. And it really pushes you to go from a provider caring for patients to really thinking about the medical system as a whole and how all of the different team members integrate and how you can help everybody kind of collaborate and create shared goals, shared mental models, and being a leader in driving change and quality improvement in a very busy, very complex system. So that is also something you don't really get experience as a resident, and fellowship can kind of help introduce you to that environment, or if that's already something that's familiar to you, grow those skills and those competencies so that when you move on to your ultimate job, you feel more prepared to kind of jump into those roles.